In today's video, we'll discuss how to share your project folders and their contents to project collaborators or participants. This video will address sharing specifically, and sending links to files or folders will be covered in a different video. To share a folder, start by clicking on the More button in the upper right-hand corner of the folder thumbnail. This will open a drop-down menu from which you can select Share Folder. You can now start by entering the recipient's email addresses here. You can also click this contacts icon to choose from contacts already entered within SKYSITE. Next, you will need to choose an expiration date. Start by clicking on the calendar icon and choosing your date. This expiration date can always be edited from the shared history page within your project. Sharing also has permissions assigned to it. Selecting full access will provide a user with full collaborative access to this folder. This means a user can take actions such as downloading, viewing, creating, and editing the contents within this folder. Selecting Read Only will only provide the user with the ability to view and download the contents within this folder. Read Only is a free permission. If full access is selected, because this is a paid collaborator, you will then be prompted to select the I will pay or the recipient will pay option. Selecting I will pay means that your account will be charged for this user's collaborative access. Selecting recipient will pay means that the recipient of this folder will be charged for their access to the folder. Finally, you can add a message that will be included in the automatically generated email sent by SKYSITE when you click the Share button. To view whom a folder has been shared with, a user can once again open the Share Folder option from the drop-down menu. Select the names adjacent to the Shared With link. This will expand the window to show who the folder has been shared with, what the expiration date of that share is, and what permission level they have. Editing these shares can also be done by clicking on the Edit Shared link. Sharing a folder will only provide the external user with access to that particular folder. In other words, they will not be able to see any other content within the project besides what you have shared with them. It is also important to note that the documents within these folders are dynamic, meaning that as you or your project collaborators add new files, revisions, or markups, those with a share to the folder will have immediate access to the revised documents, provided the documents reside in a folder shared with them. Users can also share multiple folders within a project with different permission levels to the same recipient. That's all for this video.